how you make maple syrup. Yes, we will be doing that. Is there anything else we're going to be doing today? Besides learning about how to make maple syrup? Cool. We're going to be collecting maple, we'll leave it at that. Maple something. That's what we're going to learn about. What is that? Sap. Very good. We're going to be collecting sap out on the trails today. Okay, so before we get going though, I have some explaining to do. First of all, does anybody know, right now you're sitting on the edge of something. You have to be really imaginative here, and we have some parent and teacher volunteers also making this shape as well. Can anybody tell me what you're sitting on the edge of right here? Take a guess. What are we learning about today? Yeah. We are learning about maple syrup today. Where does that sap come from? Yes, we have some helpers up here trying to help you. Mackenzie?
Maple tree.
Alright, so you are sitting kind of where that bark is of a maple tree. So what would be this part of the tree that you're sitting on right now? What would be that?
The trunk.
Jenna? Thank you for raising your hand, Jenna. Go ahead. The barks? Somebody said it, yes. The trunk. You're sitting in the trunk of the tree. Very good. So now, what about down here? What's this part of the tree down here at the base of the tree? The part that kind of pulls the tree and connects it to the earth. What is that part of the tree called? Right here. The roots. Very good. So we're going to give these lovely volunteers our roots. Okay. Now, what about the top of the tree up here?
The leaves in the stick.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yeah, right here. Those are the leaves, or the crown of the tree, the top of the tree. So, who wants to be the crown? And you guys can have leaves. Alright, so the top of our tree is our leaves here. So, let's look at the roots again. Somebody tell me, what do the roots do for the tree? Because everything has a purpose. So, what do the roots do for the tree? Yes, right here. It sucks up water. Very good. So, I need some volunteers too. I know, I see hands. Hold on, you got to know exactly what you're doing though. These volunteers have to be comfortable being a little goofy in front of you. Okay? And you have to be a really good listener and follow directions really well. Alright, so I'm going to need 7 of you. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, and I need a couple parents. Awesome, you're already going over.
Dylan, are you sure?
The 7 of you are going to come over here. The parents are going to help you put on these blue capes.
Oh,
What do you think these blue capes?
It's coming on jumping. So,
What do you think they're becoming? They're putting on these blue capes. What are they becoming?
water.
They're becoming water. So let's do, on the count of 3, we're going to go whoosh as they turn into water. Ready? 1, 2, 3, whoosh. All right, they have now turned into water. Where should I have the water sit? Where should I have the water sit? Point to it. Point to where the water sits. Exactly. They're going to go down there by the roots. So waters, carefully walk into our tree here and go ahead and walk down to, or it doesn't matter how you get there, just don't step on anybody. Very good, water. Yeah. So that's right in front of the roots here for me. And move into the tree so you can see everything that's going on. Thank you, water. Now, what about the leaves? What do the leaves do for the tree? If the roots suck up the water and give the tree water, what do the leaves do for the tree?
Nothing. Give off the water and make it in the air.
You're on the right track. I'm looking for a little bit more. How does it help the tree, Jenna?
Give oxygen.
Okay, it does. Yeah. It absorbs what? It does absorb sunlight, so let's get our sun out. Would any parent like to be our sun? And hold our sun? I need a parent to come up and help me with the sun. Are you volunteering? See the sun? Alright, so here's our sun. The sun gives the leaves energy. What do the leaves do to that energy? It turns it into something really important for the leaves. And this is, I'm not giving you a clue with this white stuff. Yeah.
Sugar?
Very good. It turns it into sugar. How does that tree use the sugar? Why does that tree need that sugar? Why do we need food? Yeah. Yeah, to eat, give it energy, to help it to survive, right? So we need some